In a place like Mesa, where heat, sunlight, and daily routines all shape how a home functions, convenience matters more than ever. While doors may seem like a basic part of your home, upgrading to replacement doors can significantly improve how you move through and experience your space each day. From smoother operation to better comfort and security, modern doors are designed to make everyday living easier and more efficient. One of the most immediate benefits of replacement doors is ease of use. Older doors can become difficult to open or close due to warping, worn hinges, or shifting frames, especially in Mesa's hot climate, where materials expand and contract. Modern replacement doors are built with improved materials and precision engineering, ensuring smooth, effortless operation. Whether you're carrying groceries, managing kids, or simply going in and out, a door that works properly makes daily tasks more convenient. Another major advantage is better temperature control. Mesa's high temperatures can make it challenging to keep your home cool, especially if your doors are not properly sealed. Replacement doors are designed with insulated cores and tight weather stripping that help block out heat and keep cool air inside. This means your home stays more comfortable throughout the day, and you won't have to constantly adjust your thermostat to maintain a pleasant indoor environment. Replacement doors also improve energy efficiency, which directly impacts your daily life. When your home is better insulated, your cooling system doesn't have to work as hard. This not only reduces energy costs but also creates a more consistent indoor temperature. Over time, this efficiency leads to fewer temperature fluctuations and a more comfortable living space. Security is another area where replacement doors enhance daily convenience. Modern doors come with advanced locking systems and stronger materials, providing better protection for your home. Knowing that your entry points are secure allows you to relax and focus on your daily activities without worry. Many newer doors also include features like multi-point locks, which are easy to use while offering added peace of mind. Noise reduction is an often overlooked benefit that can make a big difference in your daily comfort. Replacement doors with improved insulation help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. Whether it's traffic, neighbors, or general outdoor activity, reducing noise helps make your home feel more peaceful and relaxing. Another way replacement doors improve convenience is through low maintenance. Older doors, especially those made from wood, often require regular upkeep such as painting, sealing, or repairs. Modern doors made from materials like fiberglass or steel are designed to resist warping, cracking, and fading. This means less time spent on maintenance and more time enjoying your home. For homeowners who value natural light, replacement doors can also enhance daily living by brightening interior spaces. Many modern designs include glass panels or sidelights that allow sunlight to enter your home. In Mesa, where sunlight is abundant, this feature helps create a more open and inviting atmosphere without sacrificing energy efficiency. Replacement doors can also improve accessibility and functionality. Newer designs often offer wider openings, smoother thresholds, and better alignment, making it easier to move between indoor and outdoor spaces. This is especially helpful for households with children, older adults, or anyone who values ease of movement throughout the home. In addition to functionality, replacement doors enhance the overall appearance of your home, which can positively impact your daily experience. A door that looks modern and well-maintained contributes to a more pleasant environment every time you enter or leave your home. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in how your space feels. Finally, upgrading your doors can increase your home's long-term value, which adds another layer of convenience if you ever decide to sell. Buyers appreciate homes with updated, energy-efficient features, and replacement doors signal that your property has been well cared for. In the end, replacement doors do more than improve aesthetics, they make everyday life easier. For homeowners in Mesa, they offer a practical way to enhance comfort, security, and efficiency while simplifying daily routines. By investing in modern doors, you're creating a home that works better for you every single day.